Alright, so I'm laying down again. It's on top of my bag. I'm about to jump in. Just gonna get undressed, take my jacket and all that stuff off. I'm not gonna light a fire tonight. I'm in the wikiup. If you can see that, in the wikiup. I'm not gonna light a fire tonight because I was really hot last night. It was too hot in here. So yeah, I don't need it. So I'm not gonna light it. No big deal. I have a wool blanket only underneath my sleeping bag, just for insulation, so I don't have to have it covering it, because it makes me more hot. So yeah, man. So I won the BB tournament today. Dana got an incredible score, head to head against me, and I was gonna get knocked out, it looked like. And I'm like, man, I'm gonna need like a bullseye, you know. And then I got a bullseye. Unbelievable. There's only 2 bullseyes, I think, all day. I'm not sure. That was my only one, and it was literally clutch, exactly what I needed it, which is nuts. I couldn't believe it. He couldn't believe it as well. So he should have had me beat there, but I got through. And then Kev, me and him were going up against in the championship, and yeah, and he beat me by 1 point. So he was the archery champion. So kudos to Kev. I was the BB champion, and I took my maple syrup prize back that I donated because I love maple syrup. And you know, there was a knife that was given away. There was a coffee percolator given away. There was like a hat given away. There was a flashlight given away. There's a bunch of cool prizes. So a wrist rocket. So thanks everyone for donating. That was really cool. And yeah, I'm gonna hit the rack. The championship BB card right there. Me and Shane. Alright, so everyone's left. Already had coffee, breakfast, all that stuff. People just got out of here. I'm gonna get out of here. It's been Mitch with Native Survival. Me and Tyler are packing up camp. Catch you guys later. See you in the next video. Peace.